First, to create our tree, you will need to download the blend file with the Gumroad link that you can find in the description. You can buy it with an offer of $2. Once you download the file, you will find a layout like this. I have already set the track on an empty in the center of the tree, so you can move the camera freely on the axis without having to waste time reframing the subject. With the first two parameters, we will change the basic dimensions. With the distortion, we mean the noise that is added to the branches. With density branches, we can control the number of branch instances that are created. If you're working from a laptop or the project is low, I recommend working with a low number at this early stage. Here we can control the length. Next two parameters needs to set the width and the height of the trunk. Make sure to keep the foliage density value low as well, if the project gets stuck or freeze. Let's leave the light values for now, we'll come back during the shading phase. Under the lights we find the bold settings regarding density, scale variation and distance between bolts, which we need to prevent overlapping. In the last setting we can change the tips of the star. For the next step, we need to create a material for every component of our tree. Let's go back to the modifier tab and let's plug each material to the correct object. And now it's time for shading. Enable render mode. You can create or download any texture or material you want, but I will create some material solely for demonstration very quickly.